Claude has released a skill creator which evolves our custom skills, like runs automated testing to evaluate our skills. There are two primary use cases. One is the skills might be behave differently on different models. So it works on previous model, but it will work differently on the current model. So it has to be same output for all the models. So this skill creator which evolves our current skills, and if it is different behaviorally, it will give the output. And next one is like the skills might not be valid for our new models. It might be a part of our native model. In that case, skill might not required. It mentions two reasons to perform that to evolve the skills. One is an capability uplift, which means skill might not give the good impact on the model because the model is improved. Another one is the encoder preferences, which Claude has the skills to perform, but it has to be executed on your way. For example, Claude can create pull request, but there are certain process needs to be done in on each team. Like say it should be in this format, or some process needs to be done. So here it evaluates with the process. If it is skills needs to be updated to match the process, it will evaluate and it updates the skills. Next we'll see the demo. This is our demo application which has skills explain code, which explains code with diagram everything, and we have a evaluation expected output for each coding file which is in the sample code. Next we'll ask Claude Code to test and measure this skill which is available here, and with this evolve. Here it will run two times, one with active skills and without active skills, and it compares the results. Evals has been completed. Here it runs 3 evals on each file. Here we have a 3 code files, and it runs all the evaluation steps on these files, and this is the result. Here it shows with skills it reaches 100%. Without skill, with only base model, it reaches 50%. So in this case, the skills works perfectly as expected.